Toyota cars in Nigeria especially are known to be very reliable automobiles, but it's not always as it seems. So today we're going to be talking about 7 unreliable Toyota cars you should avoid in Nigeria. Let's go, guys. Number 1 is Toyota Camry SV40 with the 2AZ engine. Technically, it's not the car, it's the 2AZ FE 4-cylinder engine that comes with some models of this car. Some SV30 model also has this engine, but it's more common in the SV40. The 2AZ FE Camry engine produced from the year 2000 to the year 2009 has a little design flaw in the engine because this car burns a lot of oil, especially when they start attaining really high mileage. And as you know, we import and buy these cars used with high mileage on the used car market, which means we definitely cannot avoid running into these issues when we buy these cars. And it's also come with this popular Toyota dashboard melting issues. So if you want a more reliable SV40 Toyota Camry, I suggest you get the one with the 2GR V6 engine, which is a more reliable and a more durable engine. But you can't escape from the melting dashboard in these other ones too because they are the same car. Number 2 is the Toyota Corolla with the 2ZR and the 2AZ engines. The 9th generation Toyota Corolla with the 2ZR FE and the 2AR FE engine also comes with this oil consumption and oil burning issues. Toyota Corollas are known majorly for their reliability, but if it has a 2AZ or a 2ZR 4-cylinder, you need to be extra careful. Especially if it's a high mileage car, you need to be extra careful. And number 3, I have the Toyota Avalon. While Toyota Avalons are known to be very reliable and very comfortable, spacious vehicles, Toyota Avalons been in the late 90s and the early 2000s with the 1NZ FE engine. The Toyota Avalons were prone to engine oil sludge, a catastrophic engine failure. Later models also experienced some of these issues. This is why you should seriously stay away from some of these cars, especially the older ones. And number 4, I have the Toyota Previa. While the Toyota Previa is mostly common among commercial made vehicles in Nigeria, this is also a special car because this is a minivan with a mid-mounted engine and a supercharger in most of its models. But one of the main issues with this car is its inability to access the engine. Because of the engine placement of this car, it is usually very hard to access the engine bay to make repairs on them. Other problems the Toyota Previa has is regular head gasket burn, oil leaks, and issues with the cooling system. Plus, these are very old Toyota vans with really old Toyota technologies, which means parts and technicians, especially in Nigeria, will be quite hard to find. I believe this is why the Toyota Senna has definitely taken over the Toyota Previa in Nigeria. But if you're still considering buying one, I seriously think you should have a rethink. Number 5. The Toyota Prius. The number 1 problem with Toyota Prius in Nigeria is battery issues. Replacing the hybrid battery in the Gen 2 and Gen 3 Prius is very expensive. These batteries cost between 1.5 to 2.5 million naira, which is a lot of money. I don't talk about the fact that the little 4-cylinder gasoline engine that comes in these aren't really reliable engine as well. And the hybrid system in Nigeria is a very complicated system, though I do personally feel like this system should be given a chance in Nigeria, especially for those going into the ride sharing business, because these are very fuel efficient cars. But if you are not going to monetize your Prius, I strongly advise you stay off it in Nigeria. And number 6, I have the Toyota Solara. The Toyota Solara is a very important part of the Toyota Camry family because this was supposed to be the coupe and the convertible version of the Toyota Camry, but it definitely failed to live up to the legacy the Camry has built over the years. But they do fail to live up to that legacy. Generally, this car doesn't meet the required Camry reliability status, which is a write-off already. The Solara also has a model with the 2AZ FE engine that has its issues. And not talk about the fact that maintaining a convertible top in Nigeria is really hard. Or let me just say, dealing with a convertible top in Nigeria is really hard. This top will really get to wear off sooner because of the harsh weather, and then you have problems with leakage and some other stuff, which is not an excuse that made the Solara a bad car because it also has a fixed coupe version. But the mechanical issues the Solara has written it off the radar of the reliable cars in the Toyota lineup. And finally, at number 7, I have the Toyota T100. For whatever reason you ignore the Hilux, the Tacoma, the Tundra, and want to go for the Toyota T100, don't do it, bro. The Toyota T100 was Toyota's early attempt into the Toyota larger pickup segment in the car markets. But this car fails to live up to its competitors, not to talk about its consumers. And the engine variant this pickup came with at the time were not the best in reliability, which is not a typical Toyota language. And the fact that these were not really popular in the Nigerian used car market, it means you have hard time finding used parts for this pickup truck, which definitely landed a spot on the unreliable Toyota list. There you go, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Ciao.